Hey guys, so I need some help from you guys. If anybody knows what the problem is, you tell me. So I have a 2004 Audi A4 1.8 turbo quattro. The car currently idles pretty badly and also stalls. Just today I was trying to go up this tiny hill. Took me 3 green signals to even go up and drive away. And I'm pushing, normally I'll be pushing like 12 psi on my turbo, but it's only pushing 3. And I have absolutely no clue what's happening. I tried to go to AutoZone, he said it's the O2 sensor, yada yada. So I'm gonna try to check the O2 sensor. They said that I might have a leak somewhere in my intake, so I'm gonna go try to see what it is. And I want to show you guys what's basically doing, what my car is acting up right now. So right now it's staying, and actually my car is smoking right now. I don't know if you guys can see. It's smoking pretty bad. So basically it's at normal idle, but if I'm up a hill or something, it goes down very low, and if I throttle up and release my throttle, it goes pretty bad. It goes down pretty bad. Sometimes it'll stall. There you go. Yeah, look at me being slow for now, but I cannot drive this car. Help me out.